Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Today we're going to take a look at the HISENSE L5 laser TV that just with a few inches from the wall is going to give you an amazing 100-inch image like this one here, even in a well-lit room. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now the Super Bowl is just around the corner, and if you'd like to step up your home viewing from something that looks like this to something that looks like this, then you're going to want to watch this video. No matter what time of day, 8 o'clock in the morning with the blinds open or with the blinds closed, the HISENSE L5 laser TV will give you a vibrant 4K image with deep blacks and rich colors. At nighttime, the image becomes even better with no ceiling reflections. Now, the L5 laser TV has great specs. The light source utilizes a blue laser light that will create razor-sharp images with stunning detail exceeding Rec. 709 standards. Now, the laser on this projector will last over 25,000 hours, which means you'll have plenty of time to enjoy this projector for years to come. Now, this projector is what I would consider a home theater in the box. The embedded 30-watt speaker with Dolby Digital support provides a great movie experience and can be expanded to support an external soundbar at a later date. Now, this projector is paired with a HISENSE ALR screen, which rejects light. Viewing in daylight is not a problem, as you can see here. And as your lighting situation changes from bright natural light to little to no light, the image just gets better and better. Now, the resolution for this projector is 4K with a native refresh rate of 60 Hz. It supports 4K upscaling, making non-4K content look better than ever before. Now, this projector gives you tons of connectivity, options to expand. You have 2 USB ports, 4 HDMI ports, one of which is an ARC port, 2 digital output options, one of which is optical, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet 2. Now, Android TV is built in, giving you access to a full host of applications for streaming straight from the box. No external boxes, no streaming sticks. It even has a built-in TV tuner. Now, one of the things that sets this projector apart from other projectors on the market is that it's an ultra-short throw projector. And as you can see here, this projector is only sitting inches away from the wall, and I'm getting a 100-inch screen. This projector also includes several safety features in the event that you have small children in the home. As soon as they get close to the projector, it automatically turns off the laser to make sure that there isn't any harm to anyone in the home. Now, not only does this projector perform well at a distance, but even close up at extreme angles, as you can see here, you have a phenomenal image. Now, the remote for the HISENSE L5 laser TV is a full-feature remote, including shortcuts to your favorite streaming services, as well as the standard controls that you would expect in any remote, with also Google-enabled features. Next, we'll take a look at the Android TV operating system and some of the most important features. The HISENSE L5 laser TV includes Android TV built in, which means you don't need an additional box for streaming, you don't need a streaming stick. Everything that you need is self-contained inside of the projector. And as you can see here, it is the full version of Android TV. You'll see access to all the apps or the streaming services that I have installed. It also gives you previews based on your viewing habits, and then it also integrates YouTube as well. Now, it does have a menuing system, so let's go ahead into the actual settings area so you can see some of the settings that you can control. Now, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you do have the ability to switch inputs. So if you do have an additional device that you have connected to the L5, you can move to that as well. So remember, you have that HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, and 4 that you can switch to. It's Wi-Fi connected, so I don't have this one connected via Ethernet. It's Wi-Fi connected to my home. And then if I go into the settings, there's a couple things that we're going to see here. So first of all, you can modify or make changes to the picture settings. So let's go into the picture settings so you can see the options that you have. You have the standard ability to change levels, contrast, brightness, color, tint, and sharpness, and we'll go down each one of these. You also have the ability to modify the picture type and to zoom in. So you notice you have auto, normal, zoom, direct, panoramic, and cinema. And each one of these can be set to your viewing preference. You also then have some advanced settings. So we'll go in here for a second so you can see what's going on here. You do have color temperature modification. You have motion enhancements, so that's something that you can modify, noise reduction, digital noise reduction, as well as active contrast and color space. Now, you do have some additional calibration settings that you can come into and modify. So you have a color tuner, white balance, gamma calibration, as well as modifying it to be RGB only. Now, in the screen section, you can modify just a few settings. First of all, you have the projection mode, which is going to give you the ability to either switch from front projection to front ceiling. So you can mount this on a ceiling. It has mounting screws on the bottom, and then flip it upside down, and then all you have to do is change it from front to front ceiling so that you have the right image. Now, in addition to that, you have the geometric correction, which is by using your phone, you're able to calibrate the screen to get the perfect fit. You'll notice that in my case here, I have a really tight fit all the way around. Nothing is bleeding out because I use that automatic geometric correction. You also then have manual geometric correction, so that's something that you can control on your own. Now, the eye protection allows you to turn off the laser if there is some type of proximity trip. So as you get closer to the projector, if you have small children or yourself, it will shut off the projector laser if you get too close to it. You can enable or disable it. Now in the sound area, you'll find several settings that you can work with. You can enable or disable system sounds. This is where you'll be able to enable or disable your sound mode. Also, what is your audio output? So you do have several options here. You can do the speaker itself, you have ARC, or you have Bluetooth. Now from an audio perspective, this laser TV can get really loud, but also it has great quality. So let's check out one of our audio tracks from one of our videos so you can see what I'm talking about.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep.
So guys, that concludes our review of the HISENSE L5 laser TV. All you need is a few inches from the wall to have a 100-inch viewing experience. Why not upgrade your viewing experience for this Super Bowl season? See you in the next one.